Hello guys, on YouTube, Instagram and whatever, you see a lot of guys tinting their headlights, and of course it can look cool on some cars, and I would like to do it on my car as well, to black out everything, but also I have to think about the safety, and it's like cutting off your seat belt because you're saving weight. The headlights on your car is there for a reason, to light up your road. So in this video here I wanted to test on this light here to see how much this really affects the overall brightness on the headlamp. So yeah, let's get to it. So measuring the lux without the headlamp tint, I get around 5,565 in the hotspot. Of course, I have never tinted a headlight before, so I don't really know the process. So I didn't really have a squeegee, I've never done this before, so you can see the result is far from perfect. You can see all of the imperfections and such. But I still think that they are so minor, so it shouldn't really be a problem at all, seeing the test. So I will clean this off again, and then we will put it to the test and see how much it had affected the headlamp. And we can see there's a really big difference with the tint on. I have peeled off the protecting layer at top, and also, as I said, it isn't on there perfectly, but that doesn't really give out this big of difference. But we can see that the hotspot is now around 750 at the brightest, 757. Yeah, I think that is the highest. So after testing this headlamp here with this tint, as you can see, it isn't even that dark. I would absolutely not recommend running with any tint on your front lenses. And I actually lost around 86%, or I had 86% less light with the tint on. So the lux readings said that without the tint the light would light up around 286 meters, but with the tint on it will only light up 199 meters with one lux. So you got 86% less overall light, and the light distance it travels was around 87 meters shorter with the tint on. Smoke tinted headlight film goes out. It goes in the garbage. Don't use these kits.